Evening viewers, Mick here from BBB Bikers, back in his man cave in the depths of Surrey, well, the garage actually, talking about the XR again. I wanted to do a quick video and show you a little item on the Dynamic Pro setting on the bike. The instructions that I found on the internet to actually get it working isn't quite what it seems. Basically they just say get the plug out, put it in and switch it on and it'll work, but it doesn't. How do you get the Dynamic Pro? So first of all you have to buy it. You buy it as a package, which as a standalone is £320 to add to your machine. Now Ride Mode Pro also comes part of the active package, which includes your pannier fixings, your ABS Pro, heated grips, Ride Mode Pro, and that's for about £535 for that lot. It doesn't increase your horsepower, but what it does, especially with the Dynamic Pro setting and this plug, it enables you to dial into the specific functions of, for example, your rear ABS, your front ABS, wheelie control, and you can actually modify each setting to suit your need. I had the same setup on my previous XR, my 1000 XR, back in 2015, and the plug was almost identical, but the machine would not let you change any of the settings to the extent that this thing does. Basically on the old XR you plugged it in and it just disabled all your safety features, and it was a track bike. With this one it gives you far more flexibility to get into those settings and to tailor to everything, to all your needs. When you receive the bike, the Dynamic Pro is an option that they don't actually connect for you. So they give you the bike and basically they give you a little red plug in a bag, and it's up to you if you want to put it on. What I found is that the instructions that I found on the internet to actually get it working isn't quite what it seems. Basically they just say get the plug out, put it in and switch it on and it'll work, but it doesn't. It just requires a little bit of fiddling about on the TFT screen to get it all linked up. So hopefully this is going to show you how to do it. So we'll quickly remove the saddle like Blue Peter. I've done it before, which reveals the toolkit at the rear part of the bike. Now this just lifts off like so, and the plug that you want to look at for where the Dynamic Pro plug plugs into is this here, and this just comes out. I've taken off, there's a little blanking cap over that, a black plastic cap, but that is the plug. So basically all you do is get your Dynamic Pro plug, marry it up with the correct position in there and click it into position, and that should be done. Just put it back and that's you set up to go. So you'd think it would work, but this is what I actually had. So I'll switch my bike on, and as you know the mode setting is on the handlebar here, so toggle through it, and I just had dynamic, rain, road, dynamic, no Dynamic Pro. So this is how you do it. When you've got the bike switched on using the toggle wheel and menu button, if you go into your settings again, use your toggle wheel and get down to now let's think, vehicle settings, driving mode pre-selection. I'm doing this on the toggle wheel. Select, and there you see it. It is in, but you've actually got to activate it. To do that, using the magic wheel, scroll down to Dynamic Pro, click it on, and then you can come out of it. And then what you should find is once you go back into the main menu, get your mode button on your handlebar. So now you can go in, and there you will see the Dynamic Pro set up. So you've got rain, road, dynamic Pro. Everyone's a winner. Fantastic. So there you have it. Quick fix for the Dynamic Pro on the F900XR. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you've enjoyed the better sound improvement with the new mic, and of course the obligatory now bearded ball biker's jumper. Keep it upright.